Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Students, today I have brought for you one of the most important question for the upcoming CBSE board examination of class 10th polynomial chapter. So let's see what is the question. The question is, students, in front of you, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial f of x is equal to x1 minus 5x plus k such that alpha minus beta is equal to 1, find the value of k, students. So students, here what is given? The given polynomial f of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus k. Okay, as you know that the value of a is here what? A is here what? The coefficient of x square, that is 1. B, students, what? That is coefficient of x, that is minus 5. And c is what? C is k. Okay, and it is given in the question, that is alpha minus beta is equal to 1. And you know the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient of quadratic polynomial, that is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Okay, so here, students, minus b is what, students? B is minus 5. So minus of minus 5, a is what, students? A is 1. So minus 5 by 1 is equal to minus 5 by 1 is equal to 5. So you got alpha plus beta is equal to 5. So let's suppose this is alpha minus beta, this is equal to 1, and alpha plus beta, this is equal to number 2. What to do, students? You just add simply this equation number 1 and 2, but you is a C. Adding equation 1 and 2, we get alpha minus beta plus, left hand side add karo, alpha plus beta equal to, this is 1 and this is 5. Okay, so this implies that beta plus beta will be cancelled out, alpha 2 alpha is equal to 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. This implies that alpha is equal to 6 by 5 is equal to 3. So one root you got 3. Okay, next again, students, you know the value of alpha minus beta is equal to 1, alpha plus beta is equal to 5. You just now subtract equation 2 from equation number 1. What will you get, students? That is alpha plus beta minus alpha minus beta. We have set this equation number 1 from equation number 2. That is 5 minus 1. Okay, so what? Alpha plus beta, a minus alpha minus plus beta is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So students, here you just see this is plus beta 2 beta plus alpha minus alpha will be get cancelled, that is 2 beta is equal to 4. This implies that beta is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2. So here the two roots you just got, students, alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to 2. Okay, so what you have to find out the value of k. As you know that the relations between the coefficient and the zeros, and here you got alpha plus beta is equal to 5 and alpha into beta, students, what is equal to c by a. Okay, is equal to c by a. So alpha value already given, students, 3, and beta value you got, that is 2. Okay, so c by a, c is what, students? That is k. So here you, students, what you got, that k is equal to 3 to 6. That is the correct answer. Students, if you find this type of videos more and more, so please like, share, and subscribe my channel.